You know what's worse than being stuck in a fruit bowl? Being stuck in a fruit bowl with them. I'm Grumble, Granny Smith, technically. But don't let the cute name fool you. I'm sharp. I'm bold. I'm the punch in your pie, yet every day I sit here, overlooked like yesterday's side salad. You want to know what it's like? Watching those soft skin show-offs get picked one by one banana, orange, even pear. Pear. Seriously, that bland, grainy imposter. He doesn't even crunch. And don't get me started on the pineapple. He thinks he's king of the bowl just because he's got a crown. Buddy, you're basically a porcupine in a fruit suit. And the humans, oh, don't even get me started. You grab me, smile, then flinch, ooh, to sour. Yeah, well, maybe. Your taste buds are weak. I'm not here to coddle your mouth, I'm here to wake it up. But no, back I go, dropped like a bad date. Back into the bowl with the overripe drama queens and the orange who thinks he's an influencer. You ever heard a fruit dream? I dream of being in a proper salad. No syrup, no caramel. Just crisp greens, maybe a walnut, a little dignity, but instead, I sit, day after day, watching my chances rot away literally. Final beat. Proud, yet tired still, I remain tart, tough, unbothered, because I'm Grumble. The last honest fruit in this kitchen. And maybe, just maybe, one day someone will bite into me and finally understand what real flavor is. Until then, I wait and complain.